Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly switch on dark mode in Gmail on a desktop computer or laptop. Let's get straight into it. So I'm logged into Google and in Gmail. As well as the default Gmail inbox style you see here, Gmail also offers a dark mode that is much less tiring on the eyes and can make reading emails at night much more comfortable. Dark mode also has the added benefit that it can save battery life on your device. To change the dark mode, I'm going to open Settings in Gmail by moving my mouse pointer to the cog icon in the top right of the inbox. If I click on that, the Quick Settings panel is opened. If you then move down to the Themes section of this panel, we need to go into this area to find the dark mode options. Let's click on the View All link. This opens up the Theme Picker page. Check out the Woggle Guide shown above if you want to find out more about this Gmail feature and all the options it has to offer. To find the dark mode option, I'm going to scroll down the list of themes shown. I'm looking for the theme option called Dark. Once I've found that, let's click that once to select it. And you can see that a preview of dark mode has now been applied to the inbox behind the window. To finally apply that change to Gmail, let's click the large blue Save button. And you'll see that dark mode has now been switched on in Gmail. I hope you found this Woggle Guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe so that other users can find it too. Thanks for watching.